My dear students, now we are going to solve linear systems using tables. Yeah, it should make it easier. Now, I'm gonna ask you a very ugly question here, so I'm gonna try to make it pretty later on. A store owner sells a mixture of milk with 20% strawberry syrup in it. And she wants to make 1000 milliliter, meaning 1 liter of 36% strawberry syrup. How much strawberry mixture and how much pure strawberry syrup should she mix? So I know when you look at the question like that, it might not make sense, but let me just try to clarify that. It's important you understand the question first. So this is the pure milk, and we have an empty cup here. And this cup, I'm gonna just put 80%, up to 80% of milk, and then the rest 20%, less 20%, I'm gonna add strawberry syrup in it. So it will be at the end 100%. I'm gonna mix it. I'm gonna be able to taste 20% of strawberry syrup in it, right? But she has made this, and the owner has made it. So this one in the bottle has 20%, again 20% strawberry syrup in it and 80% milk in it. And she made 10 of them and she's selling, but now she changed her mind. She doesn't want to waste this. She wants to use exactly the same bottle, but this time she wants to have 1000 milliliter with 36% strawberry syrup in it. Okay, that's the question. This one has 20 and we're gonna add more milk and more pure strawberry syrup in it, and we're gonna make sure at the end we taste 36%. So I hope this in some ways clarified. So this is the mixture with 20%, the bottle you have seen. This is the syrup. So pure syrup, okay, pure. And let's put amount here and percentage adjustment. Okay, so how much milk with already 20% syrup in it, we don't know. And we're gonna add syrup in it, we don't know that neither. But all we know at the end, we're gonna have 1 liter, meaning 1000 milliliters. So this is the mixture with 36% strawberry syrup in it. And we already have 20%, meaning 0.20% in it. And I'm gonna say this is X. And then we have syrup. This is pure, so it's 100%. 100%, meaning just 100% Y, and we're gonna multiply this with 0.36% times 1000. So that's how we make table, and this table should help us creating the equations and then work on it. So first equation is x plus y should be equal to 1000. And next we have 0.2x plus 1y, so I'm just going to say y, equals 36, 360. Now, once you have the equations, from now on you should know how to do it, so you can simply just pause the video and continue to your work. If you want to finish the video, this is how we're gonna solve the question. So I'm gonna multiply everything here by 10, and I will be getting 2x plus 10y equals 3600. And the top equation, let's see, I want to deal with the small numbers. You know that I like small numbers. So I'm going to multiply everything with -2. So once I do that, I'm going to have -2x, -2y equals -2000. They will cancel out. 10y minus 2y is 8y equals 1600. And I'm going to leave y alone. Divide by 8, divide by 8. And y would be 200. Are you still watching? We are almost done. Once you have the y, you can figure out the x, and the easiest one, x plus y equals 1000. So x plus y equals 1000, and x plus 200 equals 1000. X equals 1000 minus 200, and x equals 800. Voila! That's how we find out the x and y. Students, let's practice.